Come on, run out of the brakes now. Lead it on. Run out of the brake. You run out of the brake.
I'm running out the brake.
Tippy towing like a. I will. And you're out of here. You're out of here. Red ball, red ball! Red ball! 11, 11, that's okay. 11! 11! Give us a mark, will ya? What kind of mark is that? His head was 5 yards down the field. Back here. Oh, that's bullshit. What about on this side?
Bring it in. Bring it in.
It's a horse mark.
I really didn't make myself clear.
Well, I think I understood you. Is that what you wanted, a touchdown?
I wanted to
Spread black left slot. Spread black left slot, 62. Option left, shoot in on one-on-one. Hurry up! Red 28! Hot! Hot! Hot!
Shotgun. And the Patriots jump offside. Always got a free down. He throws it long up the far side, looking for Vance Johnson. Touchdown!
Tight, got it tight! You got it tight! Tight, tight!
John Elway's staggered cadence has lured many unsuspecting defenders off sides,
98, hot! Hot!
including number 54, Billy Ray Smith.
I remember pulling Billy Ray Smith off sides, and it was when he was coming on a blitz.
Move!
It's that situation where he wanted to get to me bad, and he thought he had our cadence timed, and it was at this point in time where I changed it up.
Red 28! Hot! Hot!
Absolutely. Yeah, and it made me look bad, and I'll never forgive him for it.
Defense, number 54, offside.
Hello. My fault, fellas.
It's a little bit of sour grapes. He's trying to point it at me where he was at fault. He was trying to cheat.
Blue 80. Blue 80. Hut! Hut!
Someone's supposed to block. They're trying to long count us, they're trying to hard count us. So be ready, watch the ball. Watch the hard count down here. Watch the hard count, go. They're gonna try to jump, get us to draw so they can get out of here.
Offside. Defense. First down.
Let's make a big one here. Let's go. If we're gonna have to fight them, we're gonna fight them. We gotta get fired up. Keep flying around, things will start going our way.
Get the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball! Get the ball!
Ready! Set! Green 80! 45 blast! 45 blast! Red 28!
There is so much going on at the line of scrimmage. Sometimes it's a wonder the ball ever gets snapped.
Check. Green 7. Green 7. Yeah, 5 over there. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Hey, this side. Me and you. Slide.
You take him.
Tight end off. Robin, get ready to beat a Mike Backer. Tight eye right. Strong right.
145, go! Communication at the line of scrimmage can get so confusing that sometimes quarterbacks forget what they came there for.
77! Ball.
But the simple truth is, there is nothing simple about the hidden NFL, especially understanding its language.
What kind of call is that?
First nickel, 3rd and 5.
We got the JB flat. No, we got the inside option, right bingo, inside option combo left. Yes, an 84 combo, 3rd and long.
Double wing right! 78 angle exit! 78 angle exit! 28 Baker Bruce! 28 Baker Bruce! 222! 222! Move!
All NFL teams communicate in different coded vocabularies.
Set!
But none is more colorful or clever than the terminology and sign language of Sam Wyche's Cincinnati Bengals.
All right, here we go. This is attack. We got attack here. We got attack. Okay, here we go. Trips right, flipped. Let's go trips left, flip. Trips left, flip, hum away. Short 61. Red. Short 60, okay? Trips left, flip, short 61. Short 60. Short 60, Y option, on two, ready? Got that?
What we have in Cincinnati is a totally different language. I mean, we have words that mean things that you wouldn't even believe what they mean. I mean, we use all kinds of words.
Let's start with the spread and start with a Fox 2 draw and see what we get. If we get something out of it, then we'll come right back second play with a butt naked.
Snake eyes! Snake eyes, flip 9.
In our playbook, we have a whole entire page of 2,000 words.
Go halfback happy.
Called Bengal terminology.
80, halfback jolly. Spread be ready. It'll be 80, halfback jolly. Be alert for a blazer call.
For instance, we'll say
buck naked, I think.
And that one word has a meaning all of its own. And that one word probably means about 2 sentences worth of words for me to say in a huddle.
We got attack after this, okay? Double wing right, 68. X, shake, buck naked left, on two, right down.
It's more like word association, and we use words like
Baker Bruce!
Pepper, flip, caliber. Motown, happy, jolly, drunk, buster, boomer, tiger! I think he's got a hound too, Rodney, I think.
No, he called Bruce, 18 boss.
I'll give you, for example, a boss block, okay? And what that means is that our fullback or our lead back is going to block the strong safety, back on strong safety, boss. But one of our code words for that is Bruce. And why do we call it Bruce? Because Bruce Springsteen is the boss.
28 Baker Bruce! 28 Baker Bruce!
We use body parts, all kinds of body parts. We like to use women's body parts because that keeps the interest of the guys.
Cockeye right. Cockeye right. You left. Hound 2. I release on two, right? That's you, eh? Attack, 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 attack. Attack, 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 attack.
Let's go! Attack! 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 Set alert! Set alert! Set alert! Set alert!
The dialect of the Bengals may sound confusing and unintelligible.
Fake blazer, Fox 2.
But to the Bengals, its meaning is clear.
Wide receivers on both sides now. The Bengals have the first down at the Browns' 16-yard line. And Boomer, play action fake, is back to throw. Now looks, throws down to right home, and it's going to be a touchdown.
Sam Wyche also must communicate in basic English.
That's Major League, man.
When it comes to motivation.
Now listen, they got 3 of their starting defensive linemen down. Right now, you go for the jugular. You go right at them. The game is on the line right now, but maybe the damn season. Now put yourself in that position right now. Okay, let's go. Dart, 61, halfback Cobra.
Here we go. Trips left. 61 Cobra, halfback fan, on two. Moochie, get on the horse.
This is big. Come on, Boomer, hit this one time.
35! We're at check 61! Check 61! 34! Set!
Boomer, play action fake, back to throw, still looking. Down the middle, Brooks, touchdown!
Okay, good job.
Boomer, you're one hell of a player.
Wyche began developing his complex scheme as an assistant coach with San Francisco during the early 1980s. Since then, the 49ers' special form of communication has been translated into 4 world championships. The team of the decade during the 1980s. The 49ers have had extensive practice at perfecting their reputation as a first-class organization. Constant repetitions by great players, such as Joe Montana and Jerry Rice, take place at perhaps the finest practice facility in the league. And when they travel, chances are they are heading for another win.
Black 59 Razor! Black 59 Razor! Black 200 Jets Denver! Black 200 Jets Dragon!
Playing the pit is like being in the alley at 3 or 4 in the morning and a rainy night, and you got a couple of doping pinches. You don't know which one's gonna bite you, or you don't know if you're gonna bite them back.
That's a cheap shot. You know that is. Gotta watch out. These guys are coming low in there. I got punched in the in a pop, so be careful in there. They're not fooling around.
I trailed into Joe Jacoby one time, a real vicious blow, and he took it, and he came right back, and the next play kicked me right in the shin. From that day on, I knew that this game wasn't meant for nice guys.
Hank, you get poked in the eye on purpose?
Yeah. I gave him a head fake right here, and I came inside, he caught me, and went wham! Right with a thumb, right in the corner of my eye.
Oh, that's
yeah, let him.
There's things that are going on in there that it would be illegal off the football field. I mean, you can literally kill somebody, the things that we're doing in there. And you're talking about guys who are 300 pounds and who can move, who know how to use their bodies to their advantage, and who are very mean and intense during the course of a game.
Put your helmet right on this.
So there's things going on inside the pit that people in the stands don't realize. It's mean, it's tenacious. It's the most incredible thing you could ever imagine if you were down in there.
It's like getting into a car wreck 80 times a ball game. If you can just imagine putting yourself in a car and running into the wall at, let's say, 30 miles an hour, 80 times in a row with 30 seconds rest in between, then that's what it'd be like.
I think to be a success over a period of years, you've actually got to like beating up on somebody. You don't ever go into the game, at least I don't, with the idea of hurting somebody or taking them out, but you want to physically intimidate somebody when you're playing against them.
Be in there.
This is a good challenge, man. I've rushed against him maybe 12 times. I've only beat him once. Really? Once.
Damn, I gotta beat this guy.
How much you weigh, big dude?
85.
Man, you're a good athlete, man. You're a good athlete.
Butter me up and then try to beat me later.
No, man.
It really is survival of the fittest. Make no mistake about it. You have a rules maker, but they arbitrarily intervene.
You stay off! You stay on that pile! Just get out of here, you're on. Stay off!
Dang, that guy, he's coming in every pile.
So if you're participating in that, you have to be the judge, the jury, and the executioner, all rolled in one.
Hey, kid. Hey, kid. Hey, kid. Hey, kid.
Hey, you don't need that shit around here.
L.C. Greenwood once told me that anybody could play this game healthy. You've got to be able to play with pain. It's just the reality of our sport. You know, it comes with the territory.
Hold on. You all right?
Don't run on my knee.
If you came out of the game every time you got a twinge or a burner up your neck or one of your knees got a little sore on that play, you know, you wouldn't last very long. I mean, you certainly wouldn't have anybody's respect.
That hurts, but do it again. Let me see. Let's go, baby, let's go. It doesn't feel that bad, I don't think. We'll give it a try. That's orange!
Back up, let me see, back up. Bring in here. Denver ball!
There is glory in a sack or fumble recovery for a defensive lineman. But for an offensive lineman, one slip can lead to disgrace.
Last one?
Yeah.
You got beat?
Yeah.
What'd they do to you?
I don't know.
That's the first time you got beat all day, wasn't it?
Yeah, like that.
You know, when you're laying there or whatever and you see him with a beat on the quarterback, you know, you just kind of want to say, look out or something, but you you can't, you know, you want to say, oh, you know. It's tough when you get beat for a sack, but it's just something that you realize it's going to happen every once in a while.
Yeah.
Can't you play? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. To get somebody
No, I can
else.
get in there. I'll be there.
It frustrates you for a second. You get mad at yourself, I think. And then you just kind of have to try to figure out what you did wrong and then just block it out and go on to the next play, and you know, you can't let it get you down.
Hey, don't let that drive you crazy. What happened to you?
I thought he was going to loop, and I
set soft.
Hey,
that play's over.
Go rip. Do you have fly?
In a struggle which creates such intense sounds, many players like Paul Gruber operate in a self-imposed silent vacuum.
I don't think I really hear anything but the things that I try to lock in on, like the quarterback's voice. The sound is kind of what makes it really look intense, I think. But I don't really notice that when I'm out in the field.
Teams that have beaten another team by a big margin have come back the next week and played terrible. And that is not going to happen to this ball club. I ain't bullshit. We've opened the door. We're going to go through it next week, and we're going to kick ass and take no prisoners the week after.
That's right. I'm with you.